Hello and welcome. In this video, let's focus on creating your video, your logo. If you want to create logo for your all social media accounts, such as starting with the Gmail and finishing with all the TikToks and so on. And if you want to create from the start, you don't want to use the template as I mentioned in the other video, then you can do like that. You simply open canva.com, and you will need to log in if you don't have an account, or you simply sign up with your Gmail account. So it's straightforward. I'm not gonna touch on that. But once you're inside, simply come there where is search status and type in whatever you want to make. So for me, I'll just gonna go with logo AI because one of the side projects I'm going along by doing the same what I'm teaching you guys is artificial intelligent news, where I'm informing people about what's out there, because that's one of my passions as well, apart of the playing guitar. So let's do that. I just enter logo AI, and there would be different templates available. So I just scroll down and I try to find something that aligns with what I like to use. So AI logo, what comes more like I could use. I just go through until I gonna find something that I would like to use for AI logo. So let me quickly see if something catch my eye like this one. I like this one. I simply gonna take this and I gonna just use the template. So now everything is pretty much for me done. Only what I need to change. In this particular, I'm gonna change because it's gonna be informer. AI informer, and art I'll gonna choose change to news. News, obviously I'll gonna make it smaller, and I'll gonna adjust layout. So that's pretty much. Logo is kind of done. I can change this around, so I probably like a bit more like color like this. Here maybe more like something red or green. Let's see. Green like this. What would be red? News. I just try to think what would stand out more. Okay, maybe let's go with the red all the way. So let's say, for example, this is the logo I want to use. So I'm gonna just take myself again. I'm gonna go where is the download. I will press on download, PNG file, and download. Just in a few seconds, you can see my logo is made. Now this I can use everywhere. I'm gonna go and create an account. So I'm gonna go straight to the Google, and I'm gonna just change this logo, which does not look so nice. I'm gonna just drag from my computer, so upload from my computer the logo I just created, uploading photo. It just takes a couple of seconds, and now I can crop and rotate, but I'll say it's good, that's the way I like it, save picture as profile picture. And now when I gonna go ahead and create other social media accounts such as YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, this will go always together as the logo. So I don't need to create logos for other social media accounts, because once I'm gonna sign up, I'm gonna use this email AI informer news, and this is how quickly you can create logos. So it's not rocket science if you know exactly what to do. So you've seen the steps, just follow along. If you know your niche, just go after your niche, find something you like and create a logo, and that step will be done quite easily, quite quickly, so we can move to the next step where we create our social media accounts, which are in the videos below. So see you, stay tuned, stay sharp, and any questions in the comments below or in the community above. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.